Hey guys, today we're going to break down a topic that often confuses many small business owners: tax deductions. You might have heard about these before, but what exactly are they and how can they help your business? Let's dive in. Tax deductions, or tax write-offs, are a way to reduce your taxable income by subtracting certain expenses related to running your business. These expenses must be considered both ordinary and necessary for your business. Ordinary means they are common in your industry, and necessary means they are helpful and appropriate for your operations. For instance, let's say you're an entrepreneur who runs a business from home. One popular tax deduction is the home office deduction. If you use part of your home exclusively for work, you can claim expenses related to that portion. You can deduct $5 per square foot of the space you use for business, up to a maximum of 300 square feet. That's some significant savings right there. Now, let's talk about another example: business meals. When you meet with clients or host office parties, the cost of food and beverages can be deducted. The general rule is that 50% of the meal cost is deductible, as long as it's for business purposes. In some cases, like a company-wide holiday party, you can deduct 100% of the cost. How about when you use your car for business errands? You can either deduct the actual expenses like gas, insurance, and repairs, or use the standard mileage rate, which is $0.655 per mile driven for work purposes in 2023. This deduction can quickly add up, especially if you do a lot of traveling. Depreciation is another key deduction. Over time, the value of your business equipment, vehicles, or buildings decreases. The IRS lets you deduct that loss in value, spreading the cost over the years that you use these assets. For example, if you buy a piece of equipment for $10,000 with a 5-year lifespan, you can deduct $20 each year. But here's a cool trick. Under Section 179, you might be able to deduct the full amount in 1 year instead of spreading it out. Lastly, let's not forget legal and professional fees. Whether you hire a lawyer to draft contracts or an accountant to manage your books, these expenses are fully deductible. If you're paying interest on business loans or credit cards, you can deduct that too, as long as the debt is strictly for business purposes. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.